Hi F2 and welcome to our maths lesson. Have a think, what day is it today? While you're thinking about that, let's sign the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. What day is it today? If you said Wednesday, you're right. My turn. Today is Wednesday. Your turn. Well done. Okay, let's practice our counting again. Yesterday, we reminded ourselves of how to say our team numbers, making sure that they have the n sound at the end. Ask your grown-up to listen carefully to make sure that you're saying them correctly. Today, we're going to start counting at number 8 and we'll stop at number 18. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to count forwards, and that means our numbers are going to be getting bigger. Off we go. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now we're going to count backwards, and that means our numbers are going to be getting smaller. Off we go. 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. This time, let's start at 0 and we'll stop at number 14. First, we're going to count forwards, and that means our numbers are going to be getting bigger. Off we go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This time, we're going to count backwards, and that means our numbers are going to be getting smaller. Off we go. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, hiding underneath each of these is a Numicon piece, and what I want you to do is tell your grown-up which Numicon piece it is when I reveal them from under the boxes. Okay, let's get started. Yes, that's right, it's 4. It has 2 holes on one side and 2 holes on the other side. Yes, this one is 1. That's right, it's 2. Well done, it's 3. 1 hole on this side and 2 holes on the other side. What about this one? This one has 3 holes on one side and 3 holes on the other side. Well done if you said 6. That's right, this one is 5. 2 holes on one side and 3 holes on the other side. This is a big number. It has 4 holes on one side and 5 holes on the other side. Well done if you said it's 9. Well done if you said 8. It has 4 holes on one side and 4 holes on the other side. What about this one? It has 3 holes on one side and 4 holes on the other side. That's right, it's 7. Okay, today we're going to go back to finding one more, but we're going to do it in a different way. Today we're using our Numicon. Now, to use these, you're going to need to ask your grown-up to cut around them very carefully, because we're going to be fastening some of them together. While you're doing that, pause the video until you're ready to get started. Okay, let's have a look at this. Just like last week, we have a sentence at the bottom. It says 1 more than 3 is. The first thing that we're going to do is to look at this big number that we can see. I've made it bigger so it's easy for you to spot. So the first number that we have this time is 3. And I've already put the 3 Numicon there so that we are ready to start. So first we have 3. Then we're going to add 1 more. Now when we have Numicon, we can place it just there. That's why we need to cut them out really carefully so that we can fit them together and see the number that we're making. So first we had 3, then we added 1 more. How many do we have now? Now we can put one of our Numicon shapes on top or next to this Numicon to see if it's the same. Is this one the same? No, it's too big. Is this one the same? No, it's too small. And we need it to be the same to show us what number we have made. Is this one the same? Yes, the number that we've made is 4. So first we had 3, then we added 1 more, and now we have 4. That tells us that 1 more than 3 is 4. Let's have a look at this one. Our sentence says 1 more than 2 is, but what is 1 more than 2? Our first number is 2. Then we need to add 1 more. And now we have, there it is. Now we have 3. So that tells us that 1 more than 2 is 3. Okay, this time it's your turn. I want you to have a look at the sentence, work out what 1 more is, and then come back and we'll do it together. Pause the video while you have your turn. Okay, let's do it together now. So the sentence says 1 more than 4 is, and we have 4 here ready. So my first amount is 4. I need to add 1 more. And now I have 5. 1 more than 4 is 5. Well done if you got that right. Okay, your turn again. Don't forget, pause the video while you have your turn. Okay, let's look at it together. So the sentence says 1 more than 1 is. Our first amount is 1. So here we have 1 Numicon piece. Next, we need to add 1 more. And now we have, that's right, we have 2. 1 more than 1 is 2. Well done if you got that right. Okay, this time we need to find the first Numicon piece too, and then we need to add 1 more. Let's have a go together. So I'm going to read the sentence. It says 1 more than 4 is, so my first amount is 4. So first I have 4, then I add 1 more. How many do I have now? That's right, I have 5. Can you see how 5 is the same? That tells us that 1 more than 4 is 5. Okay, let's try a different one. 1 more than 3 is, tell your grown-up, what number is our first amount? Well done if you said 3. Our first amount is 3. Oh, that's not 3. Where's 3? Can you point to it? There it is. There is 3. Okay, first we have 3. What do we need to do next? That's right. Next we add 1 more. Now how many do we have? Yes, now we have 4. That tells us that 1 more than 3 is 4. Okay, now it's your turn. Have a look at the sentence to help you. Find your first amount, then add one more, and then work out how many you have now. Pause the video while you do that. Okay, now let's do it together. It says 1 more than 2 is... So what's our first amount? That's right, our first amount is 2. First we have 2, then we add 1 more. How many do we have now? What Numicon piece does that look like? Yes, now we have 3. That tells us that 1 more than 2 is 3. Well done if you got that right. Now, it's your turn again. Be careful with this one. Don't let it trick you. Think about what you did last time. First, you'll find your first amount, then add 1 more and work out how many you have now. Pause the video while you do this. Okay, let's do it together. This one can sometimes trick people because it says 1 more than 0. Can you remember what 0 means? That's right, 0 means there are none. It means we have nothing. We don't need to add a Numicon piece to the middle just yet because our first number is 0. Here is 0, nothing there. So our first number is 0. First we have 0. Then we add 1 more. How many do we have altogether? That's right, we just have 1. That tells us that 1 more than 0 is 1. Well done if you got that right. Okay, here's a challenge. Sam's teacher asked him to solve the problem. It says 1 more than 4 is 4. I want you to think about whether Sam is correct or not correct. Use the sentence at the bottom to explain to your grown-up what you are thinking. Pause the video while you do that. Okay, now let's look at it together. 1 more than 4. That tells us our first amount needs to be 4. Oh, Sam didn't get 4. He didn't start with the right amount first. Sam is not correct. Can you say that? Well done. And well done if you worked that out with your grown-up. So let's move these over here out of the way. 1 more than 4. First, we have 4. Then we add 1 more. How many do we have now? That's right. We have 5. There we are. We have 5. That tells us that 1 more than 4 is 5. That's why Sam was wrong. He said it was 4, but it was 5. My turn. 1 more than 4 is 5. Your turn. Well done. Did you get it right? Well done if you did. Okay. That's the end of our maths lesson today. We haven't got a little job to do, so what you could do is you could practice writing the numerals that we've already had a go at. Don't forget to take a picture and send it to your class email address. You could also have a go at finding 1 more using your Numicon pieces. Ask your grown-up to give you some extra challenges. Okay, see you next time. Bye.